Hi, I'm John Eric Booth. Hello, I am John Eric Booth.
Hey, I'm John Eric Booth. I've got a cookie something.
I'm here. Feast your eyes on me. It's too good to be true, but I'm here. My name is John Eric Booth, modern crooner, entertainer, comic relief, dad, and lover of life. And he also cooks too. My first love in the whole world is music. Singing the timeless classic songs and entertaining. Making a positive difference and bringing smiles to faces when I'm on stage is what it's all about. Music is what keeps me young, whether I'm singing, recording, or listening to the great voices that have left a wonderful impression on our lives. During this life's journey, my mom was teaching me how to cook, and another great passion was born. This music and food formula made so much sense, I decided to bring it direct to you. Cooking can be fun. Just let it happen. Join me for the hour and we'll make some great meals together, spin some tunes, share stories, sing, laugh, enjoy some life lessons, and sometimes meet cool people too. Great food and great music can bring people together like family. Welcome to my family, and welcome to Crooner's Kitchen.